Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Now here is our question. Discover the principle involved in the given series and determine the next element. So we have here A1121A, B2242B, C3483C. Is it A, D4964D, B, D4964D with different cases, C, D4724D where the last D is on the uppercase, and letter D, the first letter D is in uppercase, 4724D. So, napakahaba, no? Of course, this is one of the most, not nearly necessarily difficult po, not also complicated, but challenging items sa learning into analyzing our a series like this one here. So it's a combination of numbers and letters. Okay? At the same time, we could see that our letters have upper cases and lower cases, and i-attack po natin siya carefully. Let me use my pen here para po may isa natin siya. Let's look into the letters themselves, okay? Para at least we can look into a certain pattern and later on probably drop one or two or three of the options given below. So let's start with the first here, A, okay? And we have here B and C. Of course, they are arranged alphabetically. What's unique here is that when we go to B, it's an uppercase, and we go to C, it's a lowercase. So we're expecting that the first letter of our next element is an uppercase letter D. Okay, kasi nga, A lowercase, B uppercase, and C lowercase. So we're expecting D as an uppercase here. Automatically, yung letter A natin, drop na yan. Letter C, drop na din yan. Kasi nga po, yung first letters nila are on lowercase d. Okay, that's another hint. Now, let's look into the last letter. We have here A, uppercase, lowercase b, uppercase c. So our last should be lowercase d, to which our option B and option D satisfies as well. So we are now sure with that. And we are now really sure that our options A and C are now removed. But of course, kahit na ganito, some of us will just guess which of the two, especially if we don't have time. The problem now is, what if we don't have options in our exam? Wala tong apat na ito. We just need to give the next element based on a certain principle. So we need to complete the rest. Now let's look into this. Earlier, or in the previous video, we're able to chunk this to 11 and 21, and here 22 and 42. We chunk this, we pairs the first two numbers and the last two numbers. And if we have on a number series, let's look at the common difference or other processes. So we have here 11, okay, to 22. So it's actually plus 11 here. However, when you have 22 to 34, this is plus 12. So probably some of us are expecting baka plus 13 yung next. But it's not necessarily enough. Okay, it's not enough to say that. Kasi nga, we only have one or two patterns here. Okay, but of course, if we are going to assume the next one here, if you would like to, plus 13. So we have here 34 plus 13. We are supposedly to have 47, to which our letter D satisfies correctly. Okay, so some of us might say, okay, I will drop down B and answer letter D because it follows this one here. Let's just simply complete. Let's just continue. Okay, for 21, okay, 21 to 42, that's actually plus 21. From 42 to 83, that's actually plus if I'm correct, 41. This is in no way an order. We don't have that a specific order. Di naman siya na double. Baka sabihin natin, okay, what if plus 61 yung 83? But if you're going to add 83 and 61, it will not satisfy 24. That would mean answering letter D automatically is not correct because our structure of our elements are also not correct. So what I would like you to look at further is this. Okay, sabi ko nga, is one of the challenging items to. How about looking into this portion and that, where we chunk the middle? Okay, what if ganyan? 1, 1. If we're going to chunk the middle here, 2, 2. And we're going to chunk the middle here, 3, 3. Hence, a pattern exists. Okay? A pattern exists here. So we have 1, 12, 1, 2, 24, 2, 3, 48, 3. We see that there are patterns on the first and the last numbers. So we would expect that after 3 and 3 here, we will have here 4 and 4. Okay. To which both options, remaining options, still is has satisfied. Okay, have satisfied rather. So let's just simply complete it with the final, the remaining numbers here. You have 12. Okay, 24, 48. 12 plus 12, yes, 24. But 24 plus 12 is not 48. So what is actually the pattern here? Here's the principle. We actually multiply it by 2. 12 times 2, 24. 24 times 2, you will have 48. So with this in mind, we will have 48 times 2. So if you have here 48 times 2, you will have here 6. Just by this alone, this is no longer possible because we have here 2, right? This is closer to that, but let's simply complete. 16. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, 96. So the final, or not the final, the next element in this series has the components uppercase D, 4, 96, 4, and lowercase d in exact order, to which our letter B satisfies. Okay? By the way, let me use highlighter. So our answer for our this item, a little bit challenging one, is letter B, which is uppercase D, 4964 lowercase d, with all the principles and considerations we have analyzed in this given item. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!